Hello all, welcome to our channel. Today's topic of discussion is depth first search. It is also one of the very important topic whereas data structures are concerned as well as artificial intelligence is concerned. So let's get started. So all the nodes of DFS should be kept in a stack. So it is working on the form of stack data structure and it follows LIFO structure, that is last in first out. So these are the 2 points to keep in remember. We saw breadth first search first, which was following Q and FIFO. Here depth first search follows stack and LIFO. So let's just first see the algorithm of it. So to push the root node in the stack and then pop the node until the goal node is not reached. Push all the children into the stack, otherwise return failure. So what you have to do over here is that just say you have this example and we'll just see how depth first search works. So first of all you have to create a stack. As you all know that depth first search works on the basis of stack data structure. So now I have drawn a rough stack over here. So first we have to put the root node. Then we have to put the leftmost child of it. Then again child of it. Then we have to take another child of it. Then when this is finished, we again come back to the root node and then again we'll go from A's children, then again F and then G. Now we have to pop up one by one element. It follows LIFO structure, that is last in first out. So the answer will be G. First will be popped out, then F, then C will pop out, then E will pop out, then D, then B and then E. So this is how depth first search answer will be formed. So basically what you have to remember in short is whenever you are given a tree or sub branches like this, what you can do is first go to the root node, then go to its child, then its leftmost child, and if there are no other child then go back to the node and then carry out with another child from in left to right fashion. Then again go back, then go back, then go to another children on the right hand side and follow the left to right rule. So first left child, then right child. Okay, so this is the way you traverse the depth first search. Let's just see the advantages of it. So it requires less time than breadth first search, slightly less memory than breadth first search, and answer can come in the first attempt itself. So these are all the benefits or advantages of depth first search. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.